So in this part we'll be creating handling the movement of the ball. So for that, similar to the player class, I have created a move function which will be called in the update function. So firstly I have to create sort of boundary condition for the ball so that the ball does not go beyond the screen position. So that's what I'm doing here. So the ball is goes either the position x of the ball is negative, that is it goes beyond the top of the screen, or it is greater than the width, that is it goes beyond the right side of the screen. So I have to reverse the direction of the ball. So that's why I am uh, multiplying the x slope with -1. Also, the top and bottom boundary conditions, if the position y of the screen or the ball is negative, so that it goes beyond the top screen or it goes beyond the bottom screen, then also have to reverse the y direction of the ball. So that is what I'm doing here, right? Other than that, I have to then update the position x and position y of the ball by multiplying the directions, that is the relative slope, and with the speed, and adding it to the previous position x and y. That's it. And now I have to call this move function in the update function so that it gets called at every iteration of the game loop, and the ball works fine. It is bouncing off the edges of the screen. This is all about the video. Thank you.